everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. Today is going to be awesome because my wife is getting involved and she is going to do for you guys an enchilada, casserole, in the crock pot. So that's what we're going to do, guys. We're just going to get right into it. Alright guys, this was awesome. I'm hoping, we'll see. This is what we got here. We got the crock pot unopened, so we went through the process, all this good stuff. So we'll take this up and just take a look, and I know it's still hot. Lot of steam. Oh yeah, and you can see the tortillas and cheese. It looks really good. It's still bubbling actually. Yeah. That's what we got. We're gonna let it probably sit for about 30 minutes before I actually get into it, let it sit for a little bit, and then bring it back for a taste test and tell you how it was. We'll see you then. All right guys, we're finished. I have a little bit on a plate. This is what we got, our end product. As you can see, I took a little bit out of the corner here just to put it on a plate and try. So here's what we got. Just the simple recipe, super easy. No monitoring, no nothing. Put your ingredients in their crock pot, easy. Let's just give it a go. It's enchiladas. It's enchiladas in the crock pot, guys. Hey, I'm gonna smash that. That's awesome. My wife hooked this up for us. I just want to give one quick shout out, and this is going to be to Lyle and Hippie's Barbecue, because my wife had her own idea. I pulled the crock pot enchilada casserole. His popped up. I looked at his video. I was like, that's amazing. So we just kind of threw our stuff together. But this is my wife's idea, and all this stuff. So big shout to you, Lyle, and big shout to my wife for hooking this up. This is amazing. You guys have to absolutely try it. Super easy. The video is super easy. So yeah, with that being said, amazing. You guys are amazing, and we'll catch you on the next cook.